Did you know that gravity makes all motion of the objects downhill in all situations, regardless of their current motion? Now, let us move on to the formula. In free fall, it's not just about falling. There's also a formula for solving various problems in it. In finding the speed and velocity in a free fall problem, the formula for that is final velocity is equals to initial velocity plus accelerations times time. In finding distance and displacement, the formula for it is distance equals to initial velocity times time plus 1/2 times accelerations times time squared. Let's take a look at this problem. A ball is dropped from a rest in a tall building. Find the speed of the ball 7 seconds later, the velocity of the ball, the distance it traveled, and the displacement of the ball. In this kind of problem, we are to find the speed and velocity and then the distance and displacement of the ball. First thing to do is to write down the given of the problem. Once you're done, let's move on to the solving part. The first one that we're going to find is the speed and velocity. The formula for that is final velocity is equals to initial velocity plus accelerations times time. We can see in this solution that we just need to apply the given numbers into their designated part in the formula. The VO or initial velocity is 0. The A is negative 9.8 because that is the constant acceleration, and the T, which is the time, 7 seconds. Now we're just gonna multiply negative 9.8 and 7 because 0 is just 0. There's no need to solve for that. So that will be equal to negative 68.6, which is the velocity, and the speed will be positive 68.6. Because the speed cannot be a negative number. Remember that velocity is a vector quantity and speed is scalar.
Created using Powtoon.